Akwaba biwa Adom TV suni ye femme writer Amenyo Rafael DL Centro Campista Creative ewi asire na presenter godie mere na asun betpa ene taye chi den komono efri baabi ne miamia enso ebrew enano pay a Ghana enso edi egina mu pa na ye hyase edi afri the Euros 2024 ye ball Germany host nation de ya kala omo mafri mu de quarter finals efie da etwa mu enso Germany host nation tena fie ma Spain minor ball mukamienu Germany etika ni mu ba ko Germany for afri akense no ma Spain konanim Portugal ene France minor ebo 0-0 regulation time call penalties no ho na France for chambobere ekanum ma che say omanya omudin enso ede eye Germany no enso so France no antimi anche na bobere enti Germany afrimu sanso na oman Portugal Cristiano Ronaldo ene mrantie na enso call so England ene Switzerland ebo 1-1 regulation time call penalties England e num Manchester Switzerland she kanimu miensenti England for so qualifier wo mo manim Netherlands mino mbobere ekamienu a Turkey kanimu ba semi final parents na say timi baso ne saso ntina Spain and France and Beshia eno Tuesday or Canada and sa game ne baso England and Netherlands Wednesday and also a game back one be dinner pebe baso chinechi shenen so mame say Malta Guinness and no pay ken ho see amfa godie mo nsem mre Malta Guinness always unya bi na oboboa unse koyie pa Ghana your favorite malt no na goodness no egusu gina mu pa with the new jeje kan no unya bia na no pay awia enumre unya mankora no wankasa obobi unya mammerima ma obia je Malta Guinness koyie pa the same authentic refreshing and enriched with immune boosting vitamin B no still ejina na so pa into be grab it and ice cold Malta Guinness with new jeje kan nim na wa enjoy a world of good na akoyie pa always okoto Malta Guinness hwe na hunu se made in Ghana logo no eda ho ene gina mu pa Malta Guinness correct Ghana's favorite malt and so eno yentinsim yenin komo kakra ha former president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama no akadia to dwa say Ghana yen steady aworo no say no say onya kwan na oba o uplift o developing no emane gina yie pa eba na track and field nso a wode niam be hyem apagya ani amana gina mapoma gina bia sanso na football pitches a say na John Mahama say onya kwanya no oba obeboa mana koyie lesser known sports nketenketen a yen fasika nhyem na so be man attention na gina na so kan sa asem we obra o meeting media no over the weekend or checking John Dramani Mahamani.
The current crisis in which we are, I would not stand here and promise that we will build a new stadium, but I've said that under the big push, we intend to spend a certain amount of money over 5 years on providing a good infrastructure to include roads, bridges, agro-industrial parks, and so on and so forth. That could include sports facilities. And if we make allocation, then we probably would look at providing such a stadium. And so that's what I can say. Sports, if you go to many countries, sports plays a very good part in the 24-hour economy. And so you find games being played at night under floodlights and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, here in many places, we have to close the match before the sun goes down. Otherwise, there's not enough light to continue the match because we can't even keep the floodlights on. And so I do think that as part of the 24-hour economy, sports can play a very good part, and we'll invest in sports facilities and help the people engaged, the private sector engaged in sports facilities to be able to provide, service at night so that our people can enjoy.
That's trying to TMP the Black Queens of Ghana Fonso Akache Omo the party Accra and Rada bra omko Tokyo Omo Japan international friendly game one the Black Queens of Ghana body ya hosiesie onum said nei WAFCON Africa Cup of Nations a man de no enche na baso sa enso na Japan for no so be ko Olympic Games game ba ko a omo de be ya hosiesie Northern Hotel kono contingent ka ho ewie dunkron 19 including technical team and afin management members Mamet Northern Hotel coach and odia to just we no abeboa no maya husiesie ahead of future tournaments.
We observed them well. They are the world champions from 2011. I think they have a fantastic education in Japan, good academies. They play a possession football, like we like it also in Ghana. It's very structured, very organized in the defense. So it's really, for me, it's one of the top 5 teams in the world. It will be not easy. So for us, I think it's a good challenge to raise and develop our defense. So we worked already a lot on this, and of course we need to ensure that on certain moments we also have the possession, that we not only run behind the ball, but it will prove us on another level defense-wise, and I think we will learn a lot in this game in terms of, okay, this is working on this level, we are good in this, and then there are maybe 2-3 things we also need.
Na Black Queens goalkeeper Cynthia Fendip Conlan one also the nkomo kakra ba say we no good test e my players ni na.
It's a privilege to play against Japan. We know Japan is part of the best 10 in the world, so we are happy to play them. I know Ghanaians are expecting a lot from us, and we know Japan, they are a good side, so we are also ready to go out there and give our best. So whatever it is, we have to just feel ourselves, be ourselves, and give our best in the field. So that's it all. We are just being ourselves. As if you get games like Japan, Brazil, those high, it gives us more time to prepare ahead of the AFCON. So if we get more games, and I know GFA, they are working towards it, so it's good for we the Queens. So.
Yefiriwa yemra omunuanom nkuma the Black Princesses of Ghana under 20 team na so qualifier woni me say Colombia ene ma agudie kese pa because we under 20 World Cup no enso ebetimi stage wo ho na Colombia for host ni de ebe de pa coach a odi maye ni na 20 team no enso e de atodwa say we no abeboa na ahyepi emma no ahead of the tournament because omugusu o Cape Coast a wo mo ya hoboaboa na afenso tournament no e keke offer na bibiara adadi receive basigi.
Our preparation in Cape Coast has been good. They are cooperating very well. We started and it was as if we're not going to get there because they were finding it very difficult. But now, as I'm speaking, I can say that they are improving very fast. Training after training, they are doing well. So the will to do is there. And I can feel it that we are on course. For now, I think we don't have any major injury in camp. And by next week, we are going to slash the number so that we can have clear, view of the players in terms of assessment, performance assessment, so that we'll know who is supposed to be in the team and who is supposed to be on standby. So I would say that everything is fine for now. I know Ghanaians are expecting that we should go beyond the group stage. That is a paramount expectation. And we also have it in the mind because I was there and it didn't work. But for mine, I wouldn't say it's an excuse, though, because the preparation and everything during the normalization wasn't too good. For now, I say that we've gotten at least the support from the FA and the ministry for
na afen so ye ne countryman songo eni nkomo ewa homane so kakra na afen yenhwe songo stake ene adwoda the countryman fireman ankasa ewo edeman countryman songo memo wachi.
Fantastic morning.
Sure.
How should be about here?
Nyame atom bibia eboko na onso e.
Fantastic. I don't with many apologies. Edema I have viewers in the my home life out of the Zoom, but we hope that we have it my day.
That's right.
Fantastic. And we stayed up Songo State. We are in a political season. We are talking about 2024 and a flag bearer about former president Akasa. Because Friday, you know, on Fire for Fire, I'm calling on the nation. Say, quite be out to know everything about fact. And I be president of my premier. Yes, sports. A master plan. What I say, the master plan. But also, moving forward, 2024 elections are here. The winner of my premier, you're to swaba or bar, the master plan at the mass sports. The winner, former president, Mahama and the Atuja. You understand? Meaning that master plan I'm calling for no, it was in order. Now the one, the president Obama master plan for sports development because your sport, a coffin bar, your football, your athletics, your boxing, your sports, a coffin bar. You need your medal, you need your trophy. What I say? Yes, and we see so. Former president, wow, it's so, dear. Okay, picture, there be a bubble. A while say stadium. Omubehe, now Ometmia and Kama. Promises will be stadium before. Fantastic. So we are looking for that master plan. That master planner. And yet a planner, Jawa, the Anani Pan the Beba, Nipan Baba. Now I just cheap talk. And I say we are going to say we are the panel or the Bayer campaign promises. And I say, fireman, any Ghana for calling on say if the president or the master plan the banner, it's near Pija, ya good wisdom. Yes, sports for Ghana. No. Oh, woman the be about to a blueprint. Then also a paper packet, and I say a book sketch. And idea is security, and I say, you is super. We don't want that because yes, sports no call from bar. Yes, sports no a call from. Sometimes when in Shiamusi El Koswa, to perform with my kind come knowing their faces, Yana, they don't want them around. But if we told you, I say, we have the opportunity to make sure, say, yes, we are taking in a professional way. You have fire. I'm a Ghana for who say, Omo to a bar, no matter what, papa. Eddie Ama or my penia, so bit me a bois, Ama, yes, sports as a bigger. You bring your man penia, put a master planner, or bit me a mass sports neither as a bigger. And you see, on my penino, you're turning swabber, ya. Oh, you didn't pray for no money sports with what you mama Ghana. A ya woman, you almost sefata. Sports minister, almost sefata. Sports minister, Omuna, Omo, Indiano, who is sports minister, who will be on an incorpora, or more in the was sports. India was sports. Say, being it on the field or out of the field. India, at least, omit media, the sports development, omudi, blueprint, book to book Niya Juma was sports, and it is be a blueprinter, Omubeka to Mudia Jumano, Oma Karikete. We should have sports ministers, Omubeka development, the grassroots. What I say, you pay, Omampania, sports minister, and I say Omampania, sports, infrastructure. Tell me, you beat me in your baby, this year kind, sportsmen and women beat me, see a kind. Moreover, time infrastructure, and so maintenance quarter beat me, I get Juma. You pay, Omampania, and sports ministry, Omubeka grassroots, talent, to be what I say, I mean, almost a bit more sponsorship, scholarship, no more training as coaches. I mean, sportsmen and women, almost a bit more develop. I'm a Ghana all the time. Now, you was sportsmen and women are almost competing. I will be a city Amayano. Also, Omani, it's me a coho. You understand? You play on Mampania. Sports, it's not only about football, blasters and wow. That outrageous budget, the taxpayers' money. Yes, sports is tika. Let me come the call only just football, which is blasters. Not other sporting disciplines are better. No, young poor man, Penita, obey sports minister, only say. When you say, or one in the campaign, no a campaign manager, or you know factory, or you mean your biba, it be, or you a baby, the bra will need the was sports mukra. No, Jana Kotote, 1 year sports minister. The Pepping for 4 years sports ministers in Ghana. The Brenan in India was sports. The Brenan in him how to handle a year sports policy to make sure that development of sports ever cost to Ghana. Anything I'm a sports I better. It's appointment in naming somebody as sports minister, the deputy name called for Mubaya Jumano. and your man Penia will be a quiet campaign amanikeke. No akotam nipa na kwakusi was onye sports minister bra nipa no only media only politics there. Which I say, I mean, we don't want that young empty promises, fake promises. And you say you say to Obama woman, and you be saying, with all due respect, Mama, by a president that Nathan sports Nico saying, said you money no maintenance coach and to say, you're maintaining it to say the time near Bobo, the time you call World Cup. Which I say, oh, Brazil. And so much to see where taxpayers' money, this far playing the call, and you Brazil, what in America, I say, meanwhile, to say your football, one you growing. Sporting disciplines and also, which has even amputee sports. I hear a year attention. You was said you ma amputees for no to call, omit me, I training, and yes, said you ma, you see amputees call, omit me, yes, omit me, training. I mean, we should be serious. It shouldn't be empty talk. Anything I'm saying, you're the president, and in my opinion, Okuta master plan. Obama is sports minister, papa, sports minister, or one him deal with sports, as I say, what is it? Or shutter all sectors of sporting discipline and a department in Kosovo, Ghana, sports need pay that. The sports ministry is keeping the various sporting department on their toes. Very professional. What? Yes, the youth, the talent, you know.
And as a fire. It's a countryman songo, Patrick Osajaman, fireman, Nankasana, what's in and Kano. I wish you a songo steak, any idea brewono. Na ene udia bobo o ha e kwan obefa so a ube clean ufie nya fie pe ebia wadwuma mu a e say dey stress free the abani e dance world services wo mo na aba wabobo ano omo meet all your commercial and afin so residential sabani cleaning from air pest control air janitorial and afin so house cleaning event cleaning waste management carpet and sofa etc the aka wachire na omo manage omo clean fie ho office ho ama ho behwe e dia ma e obra wo fia na se office yen nim se e ade a sa adwumaden a wo ye ene adaje a wuni ntene ma nema be dene but fa nema yi na eja dance world services no mo make clean emfa ma na your great news e the ma dance world environmental and afin so facility management services no got you covered ya just a bibi biara wo pe se u clean fie office de yen ene edimu akotene pa me pa cho se ba ne se o pe se wo locate here SL house opposite Reg Manual Estate Nungwa Barrier ubetimi afrem penifo no madi nkomo 030 290 5538 and that's 0555 752361 dance world service beyond expectation yenyina we so yemfa nenso somon mfansi wa godie kwan so yefem writer Amenyo Raphael El Centro Campista Creativo.